What is up, everybody? It is your boy JH Capture here, bringing you another video in the Nordic Trek series with video number 11 today. Today, we will be checking out Finn Juhl's house and the Ordrupgaard Museum, designed by Zaha Hadid. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Just drop my camera real fast, you know, it's fine.
I'm not really too sure what seat I'm in right now. I would just say the Baltic Sea to be safe, because that's where I was in last time. No one else is in the water but me, so I'm kind of living life right now. I'm gonna walk out to the sandbar. I'll show you the underneath in a second. I just want to get out to the sandbar. I'm not really too sure what that thing is. Looks like a jellyfish, maybe. Let's go underneath and find out. That's a jellyfish. I'm not gonna try to get stung right now. I wanted to pick it up, but I'm not trying to get my ass zapped right now. There's a massive one right there. There's one right there. Dude, I swear to God, there's a mother one right out there. It's got tentacles and everything. It's Carl in the wild. There's the group right there.
Yeah. I was like, no way.
Kind of being the leader of my group right now. I just walk so fast because I have such long legs. They're back there somewhere. Ordrupgaard. Looks like this is a place that was designed by Zaha Hadid. Quite cool.
I have not been to this museum before. I wanted to see this Zaha building to see if I liked it or not. I have no idea. I just wanted to check it out. So this is it for today.
Yeah, they're only open the weekend. Feels like a smooth concrete asphalt. Well, it doesn't leave a residue. That's nice. This is trippy. This is a mirror all the way around. Yo, this is cool. No kids under the age of 10, no more than 15 people, no running or jumping, you must stay on the path. This is artwork, not an attraction. Access at your own risk. Duly noted. Oh, this is cool. Enter at my own risk, it says. Okay, that's a very steep and slanted step. Oh, you can go higher. Sweet. I'm too tall for this. Oh my good lord. Oh lord. Look at that.
Wait, can you go higher?
Trying to figure out how to get up there.
Oh, it's right there to your left, John.
Oh, bet. Oh, here we go. Yeah. We are officially at the top here. They have seats. I want to go higher. One Molotov cocktail and we're done. I guess this is the end. The primitive builders from YouTube did it.
Yeah, right?
That makes sense why those kids were coming back.
Yeah. Risking the GoPro for a good shot.
Drop it.
No, I can't.
But if we all jump, it'll fall down.
I don't know, it looks pretty sturdy to me.
Hey.
Oh, you don't like
How many
that?
feet of paracord?
My
do you think are in
bad.
this? Ah,
I'm sorry.
You even got cup holders
This
up here.
looks like
Come
an
on.
uncomfortable seat.
You have to straddle it, actually.
Wow, that's really cool. It's a little wet now, guys. Throw it like a javelin.
Threw it.
Huh?
That was a good throw.
Huh?
Never really much of a javelin.
You guys don't look very excited. Come on, be enthused. No, not smiling. Oh, that was actually kind of dramatic.
Very beautiful.
That's very interesting.
Oh, that's one.
Oh wow.
Accessible.
Dang, that's a small bed. Like square bushes and spherical bushes. So cool.